In today's video, we'll show you how to set advanced stop loss and multiple take profits on the cTrader platform. Let's get started. First, head directly to the Open Positions tab. Now, see this shield button? That's your gateway to the advanced protection features. Just click on it, and you'll see the advanced protection window pop up for the trade. First up, let's talk about multiple take profits. By selecting these checkboxes, you can set up multiple take profit levels, allowing you to secure partial profits as the market moves in your favor. Use the pips dropdown to choose the distance from the current price where you want each take profit to trigger. Then, use the quantity dropdown to decide how much volume of your trade you want to close at each level. Next, we have the advanced stop loss feature. This is a game changer because it lets you automatically move your stop loss to the break-even point as the market moves in your favor. Just tick the box, select your preferred pip distance, and you're good to go. Once you've set everything up, just hit apply, and that's it. Your trade is now protected with multiple take profits and an advanced stop loss. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.